Hi everyone, welcome back. We're gonna plan in my classic happy planner for the last week of April, which is my sister's birthday. So we're gonna do that, and what we're gonna do is pick a sticker from my stash theme for today. And I'm not very good at just randomly picking one. I'm going to pick one I like. So randomizing it more, we're going to pick just a random number, which is going to be the page. I don't know how many pages are. We'll go with 40. 1. Okay. Ugh. So theoretically, we're supposed to make something like this for my sister's birthday. Okay, it is not what I would have picked at all, but I'm still gonna try and do it. There's a lot of stickers, and so I'm not obviously gonna use all these, but we'll figure out something. Okay, I do like how it turned out. It's not what I would have done for her birthday, because, like, we played soccer in high school, but, like, not really any sense, so I don't know why, but, it's still cute, so I'm gonna leave it. Yeah, so if you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button, and the little notification bell to be notified when I put up new videos. And that's all I got. Thanks, bye!